Butterfly on my porch, flying in my garden. Hello everyone, good afternoon. They have white butterfly on my porch, flying in my garden. Someone visiting me, I think in a spirit. So, I'm gonna shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello. I haven't seen a white butterfly visiting me in my porch before here in my garden, flying around. There you go. I think it's a spirit. So, whoever you are, thank you for visiting me. So, have a blessed Sunday to you all, and God bless everyone. So, someone visiting me in my garden is a white butterfly flying around. So, thank you, whoever you are. I think it flew away. There you go, still there. Fly high, butterfly. There you go. Fly high, butterfly. Thank you for visiting me in my garden. There you go. It's a white, beautiful butterfly. And the bird flying around. So, they're right there. Visiting my garden. So, like and share, subscribe my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. And shout out to all the viewers, subscribers, hello everyone. My garden there and my daisy. So, beautiful mini garden, summer 2025. So, it's beautiful right there. That's why the butterfly visiting me, flying around in my garden. So, and my beautiful purple flowers. So, in my lemon floral bush right there. So, beautiful. And there's the beautiful butterfly. Fly, 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 fly high, butterfly. Thank you for visiting my mini garden. So, flying in my garden, look at that. Beautiful white butterfly. So, I think it's a spirit. So, I don't know, is it a butterfly or a moth, but it's beautiful. Flying in my garden. So, and my bell peppers right there. I picked the fruits already. So, and tomato is to have leftover before summer end right there. That's the beautiful. Oh, it's like yellow and white butterfly. Beautiful. It's flying high into my garden. Look at that. So, it's nice butterfly visiting my garden. So, thank you for watching. God bless. And thank you, butterfly, for visiting my garden. So, hope you enjoy flying high. And see you soon. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. So, there she is. Flying in my garden. Flying high. Butterfly. Thank you. God bless. So long. I'll see you again soon. It's a lovely day. Beautiful day here in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's quiet. It's Sunday afternoon. So, a quiet day here in the neighborhood. So, the kids going back to school tomorrow. So, thank you for watching. God bless. Have a blessed Sunday to us. And so long, everyone. See you again soon for the next vlog. She keep flying and flying in my garden. So, thank you and God bless. The big bush over there is like, lily dragon. So, thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. There's the butterfly. Fly high, butterfly.